My first bird noise is, well here, let's see if you can guess what it is, okay? Owl, pigeon, dove, that's pretty good, you know, good guess, y'all. Alright, so the second one is a turkey. Okay, the next one is a duck. Excuse me, I'm on stage. Thank you. It's fun. Alright, and like it's sort of like, you know, Donald Duck, Daffy Duck thing, I'm not really sure which one it is, but I can't talk with it, but I can make the noise, which is, you know, pretty tight, so it's like... And then, yes, I'll do the chicken as well. And then, the finale is the goose noise. And that is the extent of my talent.